Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mathematics for the Classroom. In today's video, we will solve a very confusing absolute value limit problem. Let's have a look at this problem. The limit of the absolute value of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1. Now, some of you might argue that, for example, that the absolute value of 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. But wait, let's first review the definition of the absolute value function. The absolute value of x is equal to x if x is greater than 0. The absolute value of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. And the absolute value of x is equal to negative x if x is less than 0. Thus, if we replace x with x minus 1, we get the absolute value of x minus 1 is x minus 1 if x minus 1 is greater than 0. By adding 1 to both sides of the inequality, this means that x is greater than 1. The absolute value of x minus 1 is 0 if x minus 1 is equal to 0. By adding 1 to both sides of the equality, this means that x is equal to 1. And if the absolute value of x minus 1 is negative, in parentheses x minus 1, if x minus 1 is less than 0. By adding 1 to both sides of the inequality, this means that x is less than 1. This implies that the absolute value of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 for values of x that approach 1 from the right-hand side. Likewise, the absolute value of x minus 1 is equal to negative, in parentheses, x minus 1 for values of x that approach 1 from the left-hand side. So let's consider the two-sided limits. For the right-hand side limit, the limit of the absolute value of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the right-hand side is equal to the limit of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the right-hand side is equal to the limit of 1 as x approaches 1 from the right-hand side, which is equal to 1. Likewise, for the left-hand side limit, we have the limit of the absolute value of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the left-hand side is equal to the limit of negative, in parentheses, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the left-hand side is equal to the limit of negative 1 as x approaches 1 from the left-hand side, and that is equal to negative 1. Since the left-hand side and the right-hand side does not coincide, we say that the limit of the absolute value of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1 does not exist. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Bye for now.